Culturlann McAdam O'Fee Cultural Centre for Irish Language. The open door policy of Culturlann McAdam O'Fee attracts both the Irish-speaking community and those from home and abroad with an interest in Irish language and culture. With a restaurant, cafe, it is an ideal stop-off for travellers and backpackers. And Oifig Fáilte, the tourist information point, offers a bilingual service to its visitors, which includes helping to arrange accommodation and providing information on places of interest and events around the city. Cultúrlann is at the centre of a growing Irish language community in Belfast Gaeltacht Quarter. It is situated in the former Broadway Presbyterian Church, which closed in the 1980s as the Protestant community declined following the outbreak of the Troubles. It is appropriately named to honour Robert Shipboy McAdam and Cardinal Thomas O'Fee, men from very different backgrounds and traditions sharing a common love of the Irish language. Belfast-born Robert McAdam, a Presbyterian businessman who owned Soho Foundry on the modern peace line between the Shankill and the Falls, was a great linguist and made a special study of Irish. A fluent speaker, he pioneered the revival of the Irish language in the 19th century, editing and publishing a Gaelic grammar, and actively collecting and encouraging the study of Irish songs, proverbs, folklore, and poetry. He encouraged native-speaking scribes from Meath and Cavan, such as E. MacDonald, to collect this material in the Irish countryside. The late Cardinal Thomas O'Fee, who died in 1990, was a native of South Armagh and a Gaelic speaker with an encyclopedic knowledge of Irish history, and his love of the Irish language, song, dance, sport and tradition were legendary. Today, West Belfast Gaeltacht Quarter has one of the most flourishing Irish language and cultural scenes in Ireland, with a rich fusion of the traditional and the contemporary. Year-round, the area buzzes with music and dance, drama, poetry and special events. At the heart of this vibrant scene, Cultúrlann provides a wide range of services. On the ground floor is an Irish language bookshop with a wide range of titles. It is called An Cearthu Pólaí, which is the Irish for the fourth policeman, named in homage to Flann O'Brien's novel The Third Policeman. The Gerard Dillon Gallery, named for the Falls Road-born artist, holds exhibitions of paintings, sculpture and photographs featuring local and national artists. Aisling Gear, meaning Bright Vision, Ireland's only professional Irish language theatre company, is based here and has made a major contribution towards the development of the Gaeltacht Quarter. Cór Loch Lee, Belfast Loch Choir, Belfast's Irish language choir, was formed at Culturlann and has since developed musical ties with other Celtic language choirs in Ireland, Wales and Scotland. Radio Fáilte, the Irish language radio service for Belfast, has its studios here. The latest addition to the thriving Gaeltacht Quarter is a new music and literary festival. Fiaich is for everyone, all-embracing, fun and rooted in our culture. The festival starts with the turning on of the Christmas lights in the Gaeltacht Quarter and continues with concerts, workshops, exhibitions, literary events and more.